Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys how can we on guys touch sound setting in our Samsung phone device and how can we use guys Samsung phone touch sound setting today fans. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video fans, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see guys how can we on guys Samsung phone touch sound and how can we use it. So friends, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, click on guys phone sound and vibration, and guys scroll it friends, click on phone system sound, and friends you can see guys it does sound guys we will on from here. And how can we use, so when we will click on guys when any button, and friends if you click on any icon, so guys you can use guys your background guys this touch sound setting guys. So I hope friends you have understood guys how to on phone touch sound and how can we use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.